So, third question, ano ba yung mga penalties na ma-impose? So, tatlo yan, interest, surcharge, and the compromise penalty. Yung interest, it would be 6% or 12% annual rate of tax due. So, hindi naman annual na rate yung i-charge because daily yan. Per day, magkano, if anong day kayo nagbayad, i-compute ng RDO, you have to go kasi to your RDO so that makukumputan kayo ng interest surcharge and the compromise. So, ilang days ba yung nag-lapse before kayo nagbayad? So, that would be your interest. So, nakalagay dito 6% and 12% because madami pang hindi nakakaalam din na per ease of paying tax, EOPT, yung mga tinatawag natin na micro and small taxpayers, that is 20, pag below 20 million yung annual gross sales nyo, you're classified as either micro or small taxpayer. So, nakalagay dun sa EOPT, may ano tayo kasi tinatawag na uh, it's like mas mababa yung penalties. Naka-discount, kumbaga. So, instead of the 12%, pag ano kayo, micro and small taxpayers, 6%. But mas madami pa din sa ating mga taxpayers yung pag kinumputan sila, yung 12% yung ginagamit. So, yung gagawin natin dito is you can, you can tell the officer of the day na per EOPT, you are classified as micro or small taxpayer. So, pwede nyo bang i-avail yung mas less na penalty. So, yun yung ating solution doon. So, again, interest, 6% or the 12%. That is the annual rate of the tax due. So, next natin is the surcharge. That is the 10% or 25% of the tax due. So, again, per EOPT kasi yun, reduce na yung mga penalties for the micro and the small taxpayers. So, 10% na lang. But in most cases, 25% pa yung ginagamit. Pag kinumputan kayo, again, sa ano nyo lang, na pwede ba i-avail nyo yung per EOPT kasi mas less na yung penalties niyo. So, next natin is the compromise. So, yung compromise naman kasi, ano yan, kasi if ever may hindi kayo nakapag-bayad or nakapag-file, pwede kayong kasuhan actually ng BIR ng criminal case. So, in lieu of the criminal case, magbabayad tayo ng compromise so that hindi na tayo kakasuhan ng BIR, di ba? So, yung range yan, again, is 500 to 50,000. And depende kasi yan kung yung bracket nyo sa inyong magkano yung tax due nyo, or pwede ibasihan din is yung yung gross sales nyo if hindi kayo nakapag-file.